If you skip this video, you will keep setting goals that feel big but get you nowhere. Because I want more followers or I want to go viral. Those aren't goals. That's just wishful thinking. Wanna know what real marketers do? They set goals that actually get results. Let me show you how. Hey, I am Rohan. In the last video, we talked about digital marketing strategy and all those acronyms like KPI, SWOT, CRM. Today we will talk about something even more important. How to set goals that give you real growth and not just fake dopamine hits. First of all, we need to learn different types of marketing goals. We will start from short-term goal versus long-term goal. Short-term goal is equal to quick wins, like getting 100 followers this week or writing your first blog post or create your first reel post. Long-term goal is the bigger picture, like building a brand or reaching 10k monthly revenue. Hard goal versus soft goal. Hard goal equal to numbers, money, target, measurable stuff. Soft goal equal to brand vibe, audience trust, community feel. Both matters. One is engine and the other is vibe. Brand perception versus acquisition goal. Brand perception equal to how people see you. Brand acquisition equal to getting people to act, follow, sign up, buy. You need both. You can't just be cool online and getting no sales, right? Smart goal. Here's the deal. Fake goal doesn't work. Smart goal solves that by making your goal clear and trackable. We already discussed what smart goal is. It works like magic when you are done. Let's do a case study. Alright, imagine you are running a juice shop. You make the best mango juice in town, but lately food traffic is down and you want to go digital to reach more people. You say, I want to get more customers and go viral on Facebook. Sorry boss, that's not a goal, that's wish. Let's fix it with smart goal. Let's break it down step by step. S for specific. Be clear what you want. Not just more sell, ask how, where, through what. So let's say I want to sell 100 bottles of juice per week through social media, promoting my juice shop on Facebook and Instagram. That's specific. Now you know what you want and where it will come from. M for measurable. Can you measure it? 100 bottles per week. Easy to count. If you sell 40 bottles this week, you know you are 60 short. Even better, track things like how many people DM'd you, how many clicked order now, and how many visit your shop after seeing your post. If you can measure it, you can improve it. A for achievable. Let's be real, you are not gonna sell 10,000 bottles in 3 days unless Elon Musk share your juice. If you usually sell 50 bottles per week, then 100 is doable with effort. Set a goal that stretch you but not break you. No burnout goal allowed. R for relevant. The goal must fit your main mission. If your mission is grow a loyal customer base and increase sale online, then selling juice online and engage with customer on social media, that makes perfect sense. Don't set goals just to chase trends. Set goals that actually move your brand forward. T for time bound. Now add a deadline. Why? Because when there is no clock, we procrastinate. So we say within 30 days, we will sell 100 bottles per week using social media marketing. Now it's urgent, focused, and real. Final smart goal for that juice shop. Within 30 days, sell 100 bottles of juice per week by posting 3 reels per week, running 2 local API and replaying every comment and DM within 24 hours to build strong connection. Boom! Now you are no longer making just juice. You are building a brand. Now you know how real marketer set goal. Now it's your turn. Don't just post aimlessly. Set a goal, measure them, adjust them. That's how digital marketing become profitable. Drop a comment with your first smart goal. I will help you if you want. If you got value, smash that like button, follow or subscribe. Subscribe!